Hello, and thank you that you're joining my little talk about digital sovereignty the green way. Let me start with a simple question. Who in this room knows exactly where the AI data or your data is processed right now? Or more importantly, who controls it? Because here's the reality. We are all talking about AI, but very few are talking about where it runs on, and infrastructure is strategy. And AI is no longer an experiment. Everybody talks about it. It's becoming part of our core businesses, decisions, operations, and even products. And that changed everything. Because suddenly it's not just about performance anymore. It's about control, it's about compliance, it's about trust, and of course it's about independency. If your AI runs on infrastructure, you don't fully control your business. This is why digital sovereignty is not a political topic anymore. It's about a board-level decision. But there's a second challenge we need to talk about, because AI is not just powerful, it's hungry. It's very hungry. Every model we train, every inference we run, consumes data and, of course, a lot of energy. And the question is no longer, can we scale AI? The real question is, can we scale it responsibly? And this is where the green way comes in, not as marketing, as architecture. Instead of massive centralized compute, we move closer to where the data is and where she is created. Instead of oversized models, we build right-sized AI for real use cases. Instead of always-on systems, we run compute only when it's needed. Because sustainability is not just ESG reporting or ESG topic. It's efficiency, it's cost, and it is competitiveness. So what does that mean in practice? It means private AI, not as an isolation, but as a controlled innovation. Private AI means your data stays yours. Your models are not trained somewhere you can't audit. And your innovation doesn't depend on someone else's roadmap. It depends on your own roadmap. Because sovereignty is not about saying no to hyperscalers. It's about having a real choice and an alternative. And when you combine this with sustainability, sovereign edge infrastructure, you unlock something very powerful. Low latency, local compliance, and a real operational control. You don't have vendor lock-in, no black boxes, no compromises. So let me leave you with this thought. AI will define the next decade of our business, of course. And infrastructure will define who wins. The question is not if we use AI. Of course we will use it, we will need it. But the question is, will you build it on someone else's terms, or will you build it on your own terms? So this is the idea of Yorizon. We have the vision of having the infrastructure built on a sovereign, on a sustainable, and of course, on a Europe way. So just to have an alternative. Yesterday, we talked about green AI behind buzzwords. And I think it's really important that this is our responsibility to make these buzzwords reality. So sovereignty, sustainable, and of course resilience shouldn't be buzzwords. They should be part of our business. And if you want to discuss something like that with us, you will find us in the Dome on the Z35, the Yorizon, and we are very happy to discuss all that infrastructure on a sovereign way with you. And yeah, that's our Yorizon idea, and we really hope that you enjoyed our little talk about AI and unlocking secure and sustainable innovation. Thank you very much.